Welcome to Lands of Jail tips and tricks, quick, powerful strategies for beginners. Right after spawn, check spawn points and scan the minimap every few seconds. Prioritize early pickups, weapons, shields, ammo, and health packs for survivability. Move unpredictably, strafe, jump, and use quick crouch behind cover to dodge fire. Play close to teammates, call targets loudly, and share loot to build stronger squads. Master the UI, ping enemies, mark loot, and find hotbar shortcuts for instant access. Hold high ground whenever possible for superior sightlines and easier headshots. Rotate early towards safe zones, avoid third-party clusters, and plan escape routes. Choose weapons by range, SMGs up close, rifles mid, sniper for long engagements. In fights, focus fire together, control recoil, and use grenades to force movement. Balance your loadout, carry meds, extra ammo, mobility tools, and one heavy weapon. Practice these tips daily, adapt your strategy, and subscribe for more pro guides.